we've been marketing in the traditional marketing ways for quite some time. We've been driving a lot of leads through Google paid and Google organic search. We have a good referral and kind of partnership arm going. We've got a big lead funnel is actually Inventory Source. If you're not familiar with Inventory Source, it's a sister company of ours. And that is basically a way that we can drive leads through people looking for suppliers that they want to integrate. It's a supplier directory. It actually has very similar software for more of the SMB, micro SMB market, as we call it. So I'll be talking about that and our future plans on Flxpoint versus Inventory Source and the consolidation that's coming. A little sneak preview. All that kind of is what's been driving Flxpoint marketing today. So with that, we really did look at YouTube and social media as the new frontier for us that we really haven't been good at. We're excited, and we've got the other parts handled. We've got organic and paid. That's a well-oiled machine. We have 2 digital marketing managers, one that focuses on the Inventory Source side, one that focuses on the Flxpoint side. They've got those dialed in. They've got good process, good content production. AI, we've been using a lot of AI to help us to create good quality content. Would love to kind of have discussions with fellow marketers around that.